आज का ब्रेकफास्ट तुम बना रहे हो। लास्ट दिन ऑमलेट के नाम पे स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग खिलाया था। नहीं चलेगा आज। यू मेकिंग इट।
क्या कर रही है लैपटॉप पे?
काम कर रही हूँ।
तूने फिर से मेरा अंडा चुराया?
नो।
चुपचाप वापस कर। कमी है, हर बार मेरा अंडा चुरा देती है।
You're talking about God. God being bigger than science. मुझे नहीं लगता कि अगर God नहीं होता तो रिलीजन्स नहीं होते, रिलीजन नहीं होते तो इतने सारे इंसान अपने दिमाग के अंदर डेल्यूशंस को लेके, मतलब इट्स जस्ट लाइक एक स्किज़ोफ्रेनिक को नहीं होता, एक इमेजिनरी दोस्त सोच के मारपीट करता रहता है, डिफेंड करता रहता है, वैसे ही हमने सोच लिया है उसको डिफेंड करने के लिए मार रहे, काट रहे, पीट रहे। क्यों मानूं मैं उस गॉड को जिसकी वजह से तुम और मैं अलग हो जाते।
बट बरखा तो ये भी तो देखना, हम दोनों आज साथ है।
वो हमारी कोशिश की वजह से।
देखो एक चीज सोचो, साइंस हमेशा ना इक्वेशन से सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है। इक्वेशन प्रूव हो गया, चलो भाई साइंस खुश, एंजॉय। लेकिन और साइंस तुमको हमेशा प्रोबेबिलिटी देगा। देख, एज पर द साइंस और मैरिज और वी बीइंग टुगेदर वाज 1 in a million। बट अभी जो तूने बोला ना, कोशिशें की, पता है उन कोशिशों को कामयाब कौन बनाता है? गॉड। क्योंकि साइंस में बस प्रोबेबिलिटी दी, उस प्रोबेबिलिटी को सच करना फिर उसी गॉड का ही है। क्योंकि साइंस तो हमारे हाथ में है ना, मिरेकल्स तो नहीं। द कोर रीजन व्हाई वी प्रेड is so that miracles can happen.
Mrs. Sahil Faizi?
How is he?
Please come. During the course of accident, there was a head injury for him. So he has lost lots of blood, and due to that he has suffered an ischemic insult.
Insult? Who insulted him? What insult?
Let me explain, Miss Roy. The part of his brain, that's the brain stem, which controls his breathing, his heart rate, his balance, and everything, is in deficient of blood.
I just saw him. I saw him myself. He was breathing. Okay. He is in some kind of coma, right? Like they show that in movies. He's in some kind of coma. Throughout his life, he's going to lie there like a vegetable staring into the ceiling. That's what he's going to do. Okay, I'm okay with that. As long as he's alive, I'm okay with that.
See, madam, coma and brain dead are different things. In coma, the patient is able to breathe by himself, but this Sahil which you are seeing is able to breathe only because of the machines.
So, you're telling me the person who protects the entire country is not able to breathe by himself?
We have come to this decision only after conducting the second apnea test, that is by removing his respiratory support after 6 hours, and unfortunately failed that.
But he never failed a single test in his life. How can he just... So you're going to tell me that there's nothing more that you can do?
See, we are not God. We have tried our best. So we can keep him on ventilatory support as long as you wish. But that wouldn't be so helpful.
So you are asking me to pull off the plug, the thing that is keeping him breathing. You want me to take the decision to take that off, like to kill him. You know what? If if this means giving every saving that I have, selling everything that I do, I own, I'm going to do that. You know why? Because miracles do happen.
Dr. Nicholas Sam, this is Krishnan. I'd like to speak to you about a patient, Sahil.
Dr. Sam. Hi, Mr. Parth. How is he? He is good. Got his pre-medical exams results yesterday. He's got a good rank. Will definitely get a college.
Okay, that's great. So when are my sweets?
Definitely, sir. But sir, for how long? It's been 4 years now. He's tired. We can't say that we are tired, we are family. But we can't look at his face anymore.
See, Mr. Parth, you know the situation in India. People consider it as a taboo. They consider it like disrespectful to the dead, mutilating the body. Some even consider it as illegal, you know.
But sir, for us they will be gods.
By standards of patients, they don't even consider a patient dead as long as the patient is on ventilators. And what more, they wait, and finally the patient is in multi-organ failure and in sepsis. And no more the organs are useful for us.
But sir, it's legal. And further, it's a great humanitarian work. What good would an organ do if it's buried or cremated or whatever they do?
See, what we can do is, let's be optimistic. Let's wait.
He thought he would be going to new college, new life. If he would get the organ now, then he would start his new life there.
Hello? हाँ डॉक्टर कृष्णन.
सुनो, कार का EMI भर दिया मैंने. सुन रहे हो? कार का EMI भर दिया है. गैस का भरना है, इलेक्ट्रिक का भरना है.
अरे क्या हुआ? क्या?
कार का EMI भर दिया है.
हाँ.
गैस का भरना है अभी तुमको. इलेक्ट्रिक का बाकी है.
मुझे?
यस, वो बाकी है. रूम का हालत क्या बना के रखा है?
तो 1 महीने के लिए कौन गया था?
1 महीने के लिए मैं घर छोड़ के जाऊं तो रूम में रिफ्यूजी बना के रख दिया यार रूम को.
यार मैं सफाई करता हूँ, ठीक है? तो मैं
बाथरूम का क्या हाल है?
हाँ तो ठीक है, हार्पिक स्टॉक में नहीं था भाई.
मैं छोड़ के जा रही हूँ सब कुछ. मैं जा रही हूँ, ठीक है?
अरे कहाँ जाओगे?
बाथरूम जा रही हूँ फिलहाल मैं.
अच्छा ठीक है, जाओ.
कॉकरोच.
क्या?
मम्मी वाला कॉकरोच है अंदर.
कहाँ है? अरे मर गया है वो. चीटियां उठा के ले जा रही है. तेरे ऊपर लेके नहीं आएंगी. बड़ा शेर नहीं बनती थी.
कॉकरोच तो है ना.
तो कॉकरोच देख के क्या उतर गई? भीगी बिल्ली बन के आ गई तू. मरा हुआ कॉकरोच है यार, कुछ नहीं होगा. हाँ क्लीन करो उसको तुम. जाता हूँ, रुको. अरे चीटियां वैसे भी उठा के ले जा रही है उसको, ठीक है? हाँ फाइनली
क्लीन कर दिया.
हाँ हो गया. एक झिंगुरी तो था.
नाम.
ये क्या था भाई? ये क्या बोला?
कुछ नहीं.
अरे हद हो भाई. अच्छा एक बात बता, डोंट यू थिंक कि डेथ इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग?
अगेन फिर से फिलोसफी.
अरे फिलोसफी नहीं, तू सोच ना. ससुराल सिमरका में वो अगले दिन मक्खी बनेगी या सांप? यू डजंट नो. बट डेथ, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. इट्स सर्टेन और हर किसी को आनी है. क्या बोलती हो?
So you feel that death is a good thing?
या अल्टीमेट मंजिल. क्या बोलती है?
What do you want me to tell? कि नहीं जानू, प्लीज ऐसे बातें मत करो. मैं नहीं बोलने वाली ये सब.
अरे चल ठीक है. एक बात बता, अगर क्या कहते हैं मैं मर गया तो कौन सा गाना गाएगी?
हमारे लिए तो कुछ फिलोसॉफिकली गाना पड़ेगा.
जैसे
फिर लिया याद वो वाला.
बहुत नॉर्मल सा गाना है. तुझे पता है जब तू मरेगी मैं क्या गाऊंगा?
सोच के भी रखा है. क्या गाओगे?
अरे सुन तुम तो ठहरे पर
ये वाला गाना.
अरे सुन तो, साथ क्या निभाओ.
Not much of a religious person.
Irony, isn't it? You have been standing here for a long time. So, who's admitted you? Your husband?
Actually, I'm not much of a religious person. He is. I don't know how to pray like him. I'm just doing it my way, hoping for a miracle to happen.
Aren't we all? यार मिरेकल लिस्ट में नाम आना 4 साल से इसी चीज़ का तो वेट कर रहा हूँ यार। अजीब है ना मिडिल क्लास लोगों की लाइफ। पहले ट्रेन की वेटिंग के लिए वेट करो, एग्ज़ाम में रैंक्स का वेट करो, ऑर्गन डोनेशन के लिए वेट करो, बस वेट होता रहता है, मिरेकल कभी नहीं होता।
आपका कौन है यहाँ पे?
मेरा भाई है, मेडिकल एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करा है इस बार, होपफुली कॉलेज मिल जाएगा। ये भी शायद एक मिरेकल ही है कि हमें हर वीक यहाँ पे आना पड़ता है उसके डायलिसिस के लिए। उसके किडनी में प्रॉब्लम, उसी की डोनर वेटिंग लिस्ट में वेट कर रहे हैं।
This is Roy, right? I want to talk to you.
Can you do anything to save him?
No. Sadly, we can't.
And there is nothing we can talk about.
You need to understand.
Understand my foot. For 10 years, you people study how to save a life. And then you show me a person who is breathing and you tell me he's dead. And you expect me to understand that. You come to me and tell me he has an accident and he won't survive, he's brain dead and I don't know what. You tell me that all his life is worth of is just making sounds on that ventilator. Peep, 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 peep. That's all.
Mrs. Roy, please understand his life can be worth much more. See, sadly, we cannot save his life. But imagine how many lives he can save with his organs. All these years, he had been saving millions of lives in the border for our country. But now his organs, his healthy organs, can save a lot of lives who had been waiting for these organs since years. I cannot force you to donate his organs, but the final decision is yours.
No. No. If you can't save his life, don't at least mutilate him. You know what? All of this is set up. I understand that now. Everything. I'll take him away from all of this. From all of you. I'll not let you rip him apart. No. No. You people should just go open a drama company somewhere. No. I'm not going to let you do that. I am not going to donate his organs. I'm not going to agree to this. No.
Mrs. Roy, Mrs. Roy.
No. You don't. All of you are nothing but just vultures waiting for my husband to die so that you can rip him apart. No. No, just... I'll take him away. I'll take him away from everything.
No, Mrs. Roy. Listen to me. Please try to understand. I didn't know anything about this. Even there is a clause that says that the identity of the donor and the recipient should not be disclosed to either of them. I'm sorry. You have to understand me. I didn't have anything to do with this.
You tell that you understand me. How can you understand me? When all these years, what you have prayed is exactly opposite of what I wanted. You prayed for my nightmares to become true. How can you...
Maybe our motives are different. But we are doing this, we are praying for the one we love. You tell me one thing, Mr. Roy. If I told you that one organ could bring your husband back, wouldn't you have gone to the ends of this earth to bring that organ? I am doing the same thing for my brother now.
And the tears come streaming down your face when you lose something you can't replace.
कंफ्यूज्ड हो या गिल्टी लग रहा है? Sorry to put you in this situation. Can't help it. Remember that day, Barkha, when you sent me to clean the dead cockroach in the bathroom? पता है उस दिन I saw कि उस dead cockroach को ना ढेर सारे ants लेके जा रहे थे. That day I really thought कि भाई they gonna have a really good dinner party tonight. पता है that day I understood that in this nature ना nothing goes for a waste. Like कॉकरोच की डेड बॉडी भी यूज में आ रही है उसके मरने के बाद. तेरे किचन में याद है जब तुम ब्रेड ऐसे लाके छोड़ देते थे तो इतना सारा फंगस ग्रो कर जाता था. इवन दे यूज टू यूज़ द ब्रेड. तो जस्ट थिंक बरखा, जब इतना छोटा सा फंगस या इतनी छोटी सी एंट्स कैन यूटिलाइज थिंग्स इन द नेचर, तो उस इवोल्यूशन पिरामिड के तो हम पूरे टॉप पे चढ़ के बैठे हैं ना, तो हम क्यों नहीं. साइन कर देना बरखा.